telling my husband only women can do this.
Do you know that only girls can go like this?
Oh.
Only women can do that. Just try it. Wait, hold on. You try.
I can't see what you're doing.
Okay.
What do you do?
No, you can't overlap your hands. Watch this. Oh, no, hold on. Now you got me screwed up. Okay, what now? Okay. Okay, watch. Nothing is. Watch this.
Babe,
Look.
I'm doing it right already.
Look, okay, look. Nothing. I'm not going like that. I'm going. You gotta come apart, not go that way.
Oh, alright, do it one more time. I bet I can catch it though.
Okay.
Do it one more time. Oh wait, so you put that on ya. Alright, do it again, baby. But you do it too fast.
What?
Yeah, slow down.
Because like you gotta just figure it out. Look.
Oh.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. He got it. He catches on quick. He learned his new job in like 3 days. I should have known you were. I watched other people do it on TikTok and the husbands couldn't get it. So anyway. He's a smart one. What can I say?